again, just kind of getting them in their warm-up partners to help each other as well. So the first one is just a lunge. So feet nice and wide apart, and then you're coming down, dropping the knee. Yep, good. The next one is like a clock face. So again, you're getting in that athletic stance and you're pretending you've got a clock in front of you. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, and then the last one for the quads is reverse Nordic. So you want to be like your body like a plank, so really squeeze your bum, thrust your hips forward, hands across your chest, and then you're going to go back as far as you can control, and you'll feel a pull in the front of your thigh, and then come back up. Yep, good. Just do 5 of those. Good. Five, good. So if I had a choice, I would choose these ones. Again, it's what we call like eccentric training. So you're getting that like stretch. So normally you would like a lot of at the end of training is this one. So this one you're actually probably getting an even better stretch, but you're strengthening at the same time, and really specific for footy in terms of sprinting and like kicking as well. So soft tissue injury prevention for your quads. And the other kind of teaching point I would say is if girls are doing like their own gym and you're getting a bit of pushback to doing this, they probably wouldn't be doing this exercise in their gym program. They'd be doing more like, weighted or F45 exercises. So it's a kind of a good complementary thing to add to anyone's strength training. And it's actually good to do that on your training day. So if you're thinking about the whole training week, if they're doing their football or sport training and they're doing their eccentric kind of high load exercises on the same day, then that's probably best for recovery, and you're doing like your slower, heavier stuff on the other days with an equipment. Yeah, does that make sense? Yeah.